locations called Burmayo North, in Shimpero Fatuma Ward, in my constituency of Mandera South. As you all are aware, the whole region of Northeastern, including Mandera County, particularly my constituency, Mandera South, is going through a very serious drought period. And as a result of the drought period, there's a lot of desperation. Livestock owners, goat owners, cattle owners, camel owners are going through very difficult times in terms of trying to search for pasture and water for their livestock. Where pasture is found, there is always lack of water, and where water is found, there is an acute shortage of pasture. So that to get a combination of both has been a difficult task. And that is why it became as a blessing when the county government of Mandera did a borehole at Burmayo North just a week and a half ago, after a desperate search for groundwater for many years, using modern technology. A borehole, surface water was found, and a borehole was drilled at Burmayo North about a week and a half ago. Unfortunately, that strategic borehole, which was drilled by the county government, because of either desperation or because of whatever reasons, all the due processes for opening a borehole after drilling it seem to have been neglected, and the borehole was opened to the public without necessary checks for contamination, and as a result, 120 goats belonging to several families in Mandera South constituency, and particularly from Burmayo North, 120 goats were found dead under mysterious circumstances after drinking the water from the said borehole. This is a very serious incident, because at this time of the year, 120 goats is a very serious loss to the pastoralist from the region. One goat at this time is going for about 20,000 Kenya shillings. And if you calculate that 120 goats by 20,000 shillings, that is approximately a loss of 2.4 million to the pastoralist of Burmayo North. And this causes a serious concern, especially at a time when our people are struggling economically, at a time when